Ever wondered where the fuse box is located in your 2025 Chevrolet Silverado, or which fuse controls key components? In this video, we'll guide you through the fuse box locations and provide a clear diagram to help you troubleshoot with ease. Engine compartment fuse block. The engine compartment fuse block provides easy access to fuses and relays for efficient maintenance. It is designed for reliable power distribution and protection of key engine components. Instrument panel fuse block, left. The instrument panel fuse block, left, offers convenient access to fuses for essential interior systems. It ensures reliable power distribution and protection for electronic components. Instrument panel fuse block, right. The instrument panel fuse block, right, provides easy access to fuses for critical vehicle systems. It ensures efficient power distribution and protection for interior electronics.
Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile fuse, a Tandard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage, link fuse. Fuse conditions: blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses. Turn off the vehicle. Locate the fuse box. Identify the faulty fuse. Remove the faulty fuse. Inspect and obtain a replacement. Install the new fuse. Test the replacement. Safety precautions. Disconnect the battery. Wear protective gear. Use proper tools. Check for correct amperage. Avoid water exposure.
If this guide on fuse box location is helpful, give a like or subscribe for more tips and updates. Thanks for watching.